Hey Google, turn on all lights.
Alright, turning on 10 lights.
It really works there. Welcome to my next home tour video. My name is Jay and I'm from PropNext. Today I'm going to show you a unit in Commonwealth Tower. Commonwealth Tower is right next to Queenstown MRT station and it is conveniently located minutes away from Central CBD and Orchard Road. Shall we take a look now? Let's go. This condo has plenty of amenities and facilities such as swimming pool and barbecue pit, and you also have a sky terrace where you can enjoy a beautiful landscaping view of Singapore. Welcome to this 3-bedroom unit. The unit is 904 square feet, and once you walk in from the front door, you will have ample storage spaces for your shoes built by the owner. This unit is tastefully renovated in an industrial chic design style. The living area has a feature wall beautifully done up for the TV console. And this cozy little dining area has a cement screeded special effect wall and more storage spaces underneath this customized bench. And next to the living and dining area, you have an outdoor space with wooden decking done up by the owner. This outdoor balcony faces an unobstructed park view. Now let's take a look at the master bedroom first. So this bedroom is where you want to come home to have a good night's sleep, and you can even change the color of the lights. This master bedroom has simple furnishing yet giving us a warm and fuzzy feeling with two contrasting side hanging lamps. The two common bedroom here is connected by a Jack and Jill bathroom, so that you feel that both bedrooms has an ensuite bathroom. Both common bedrooms can fit a queen size bed, or even a study area like this. So if you like this house, do give me a call and arrange for a viewing. My name is Jay and I'm from PropNext. Hey Google, do you like this house?
I like this spot.